I suck at organizing, and sometimes it just really messes with me getting anything done. Like anything. It's atrocious. I ran out of propane last night while cooking dinner, which always sucks when you've got steaks on the grill. I'm gonna go fill those up right now, grab some lunch, and shoot some rainy day B-roll. Well, it's not raining right now. It was, it's not anymore. I was downstairs when it was. I didn't see it, didn't know it. No windows, that sucks.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings.
Yeah, I might be one of the most unorganized people on the planet. Maybe not that bad. But I can clean things up, I can organize them, but I can't get them to stay like that. You know, I just start doing stuff and then it just starts just going everywhere. It's not a horrible mess. It's just, I've got everything just kind of spread out. And I just don't have the energy to do it today. But I need to at least get some of it cleaned up, because I'm going to be heading out tomorrow for a day trip, and I just want to make sure I have everything that I need, because it's going to be nice to get some B-roll up in Penn State, so that'll be fun. Well, let me go ahead and try to get this cleaned up. So what is your thought process when you're organizing something and you don't really have a place for it yet? You're creating something new. That's kind of like what I'm struggling with the closet in there. I want to be able to have things in a spot that makes sense. Lenses, batteries, cables, you know, stuff to review, stuff like that. But it doesn't even need to be those particular items. It's just items that are important to you. Are you someone that writes everything down? Are you someone that keeps it up here? I feel that I struggle in figuring out a good way to do that. So I figured if I ask you guys, you might know a better way to make a wheel. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, I hope you know what I mean. I've got this somewhat set up, you know, cleaned up right now. Family should be home in a little bit for dinner and whatnot. But that's it for me for today. I want to thank you guys so much for the continued support, the new folks that have joined the channel. I have a lot of fun things that I want to do, more collabs that I'm going to be doing. I am talking to some people right now, so those are coming up soon. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you're stopping by for the first time, hit that subscribe button. You guys take it easy, and have a great weekend.